Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to check your remaining GPU minutes in Midjourney. First, open the Discord application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Navigate to the target Midjourney server where you have access to the bot. Once you are in the server, look for the text channel where you can input commands. This is usually a channel designated for bot commands or a general chat channel. In the text box at the bottom of the screen, type in /info. This command will trigger the bot to provide information about your account. After typing the command, press the Enter key on your keyboard. The bot will respond with a message that includes various details about your Midjourney account, including your remaining GPU minutes. This information will be displayed clearly, allowing you to see how many GPU minutes you have left. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.